Okay, I'm going to replace the burner control switch in my GE stove. I'm going to start by unplugging the stove and then removing the 8 screws so I can loosen the back cover and have access to the burner control switches. And this will give me enough room to reach the switch so I can pull off the wires. Okay, I'm going to be replacing the switch on the left. So I need to write down which colored wire goes to which terminal, and then I can start removing the wires. They should pull straight off, but you may have to wiggle them up and down just a little bit. Okay, when all the wires are off, I'm going to go to the front of the stove and pull the knob straight off. Then we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws. And you can pull the switch out from the back. Okay, here's my new switch. I'm going to put it through from the back. Put the 2 screws back in. Then you can put the knob back on, and then go around to the back. Put the cables back on the terminals. They should push straight on. Then put the screws in the back cover. Then plug the stove back in, put it back in place, and I'm going to give it a test here. And my burner is coming on. And here's the switch I used, JB625RK3SS. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.